Dear students, how are you all? As I told you that I'll come up with the next part of GK questions, it is related to human brain. So I'm back. Let's start with question number 1. Which one is the control center of a body? Stomach, gland, brain or legs? Think about the answer. Control center of our body. Yes, it's brain. Brain is the control center of our body. Our body receives messages from the nervous system. It controls our muscles and nerves so that we can run and move around. These are the two parts of our brain. It is the left side of a brain and right side of a brain. I have mentioned here the basic functions of left brain and right brain. You know students, right side of a body muscles are controlled by left side of a brain and left side of body muscles are controlled by right side of a brain. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos and do write your points in the comment section. What is the position of hindbrain in human body? Options are between the cerebellum, above the head, below the bones, back side of the brain. The answer is hindbrain is located at the back side of the brain. Hind side is just like, yes, chota dimag, your little mind. Parts of hindbrains are cerebellum, pons and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum is a little mind located at the back side of the head. Pons means bridge. Pons is like a bridge and located above the medulla. Its function is to control sleep and pattern of breathing. Now what is medulla oblongata? It is posterior part of a brain. It controls breathing, heart rate, swallowing and blood circulation. Interesting facts about hindbrain are: pons pass out the information to the cerebellum to the rest of the brain. Medulla is the base of the brain stem that controls heartbeat and breathing. Reticular formation is a nerve network that plays an important role in controlling the arousal. Question number 3. Which is not the function of midbrain? Your options are regulate the movement, processing information, visual information and regulate the autonomic functions. Yes, your answer is right. Regulate the autonomic function is not the function of midbrain. Every part of human brain performs different type of activity. It is like in offices we have different departments for different work. In the same way, human brain has different departments. Brain requires a daily cleanup and meditation like home chores. Question number 4. What percentage of blood used by brain? It's 25 to 30%, 15 to 25%, 40 to 45%, 2 to 3%. The correct answer is 15 to 25%. The thing which is important to know that human use only less than 25% of the brain, and you know students, rest 75% remain unused. Uses of brain can be improved by only when your family sits together and talk much on different topics every day. One topic of discussion daily at home will strengthen a human brain definitely. Durameter, arachnoid and pia mater, these are the three layers called as meninges. Which one is not the layer in human brain? As I told you in this slide, arachnoid mater, pons, durameter or pia mater? Yes, the answer is pons. Pons is not the layer in human brain. In human skull, there are three layers of tissues called meninges that help protect the brain. Question number 6. Mater is related to which part of human body? It's skull, brain, lower body or upper body? Which one is your answer? Yes, brain. The sensitive layer is the pia mater in the inner brain. The middle layer is a web-like structure which is filled with fluid is arachnoid. The hard and outer layer is called the dura mater. Which part of human brain gets affected in variety of neurological and psychiatric disorder? Your options are midbrain, hippocampus, pons and cerebellum. Come on, read the question again. Yes, the answer is hippocampus because hippocampus controls the human brain memory power. This is a structure that includes hypothalamus, amygdala, hippocampus, thalamus, basal ganglia, and these are the main functions that is written just below the headings. Hypothalamus, what it do? What is the work of hypothalamus? Hypothalamus work is to control the body temperature, hunger, fatigue and your sleep. Amygdala work is memory, decision making and emotional responses of the body. Hippocampus work is memory and navigation of the body. Thalamus means it regulates the sleep, consciousness and alertness. Basal ganglia controls of movement, learning habit, cognition and emotion. How a human brain make you feel hunger, thirst and sleep? The options are cerebellum, hypothalamus, midbrain, amygdala. Yes, the answer is hypothalamus because hypothalamus is very small in size. It can be damaged very easily by the head injury or any type of big surgery or any type of severe illness in brain. Hypothalamus is known as mastermind, the brain of the brain. Question number 9. Which part helps the brain to think? Your tissues, neurons, cells or lobes? Which one is your answer? Yes, it's neurons. An estimated research showed that our brain contains more than 80 millions of neurons. Neurons help the brain to catch the electric signals. These electric signals help our brain in generating new thoughts and also increases the understanding. Question number 10. Which of these gland is located in the brain? Your options are pituitary gland, hypothalamus, adrenals, the testes. Yes, the answer is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is very small in size like a pea. It is located behind the bridge of your nose and below the hypothalamus. Pituitary gland controls many other hormone glands and functions in human body. It produces number of hormones, so called the master of other glands. Thank you so much students for watching our video and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.